Hi folks, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Just want to take you around a conversion we've completed in this Land Rover Discovery 4. As you can see from the huge screen there, we've added full wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. It's now got DAB, USB, all of the stuff that you would expect from Apple CarPlay. Now, this particular vehicle came to us with the very small monochrome screen. I'm guessing it's about 3 inches. It sits behind here. Obviously, you can't see it now and you don't need to. If you've got the monochrome screen, we can't add Apple CarPlay to it. We have to add a second screen like this. Now, personally, I think this is an excellent solution. The sound quality is really cool because we're bypassing all of the factory equipment. It's touchscreen, it's wireless, and it's 9 inches of Apple CarPlay. We've also installed a module which brings up the car's menus onto the touchscreen, so we can still adjust lots of the car's features that would normally be lost when you change the radio. We've managed to integrate it to the skip buttons on this side and also the telephone buttons on this side. So not only can you answer a call, drop a call, but if you press the speech recognition, the voice recognition button, that will actually activate Siri. So you've got full Siri all from the steering wheel controls. We've also added a reverse camera to this vehicle. That, of course, is an option with both systems. I'm going to drop this video into a playlist and call it Land Rover Discovery Apple CarPlay. So if you head for that playlist, you'll be able to see the second option, which is where we add Apple CarPlay to the existing full colour screen in the dash. Thanks very much for watching. If you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and enjoy.